how to add a button to your GoDaddy website. The first thing that we need to do is load up GoDaddy, then click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. So here from the products page, we want to find websites plus marketing, find your current plan and click on manage next to it. Now this is going to load up a preview of our website right here to the side, as you can see. And what we want to do is click on edit website. So once we have accessed the website builder in GoDaddy, then here we'll scroll down. First, make sure you are on the correct page, then scroll down and click on add section. From this section here, we will use the search bar to search for button, and you will see buttons. Click on it and you will see display a list of buttons. Once we add this, then it's going to show us a sample here, and we can change all of the button order. We can readjust it like this, and we can also click on this side here and we can delete specific buttons, and we can also create new ones, change the title of the buttons. As you can see here, if I change the title, button label rather, it will show us this, and we can link this to a website, to a phone, to email, products, and pages, or where we want this to appear. So that's how you add buttons in GoDaddy. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.